So this is how you can generate unlimited exclusive qualified B2B leads from Clutch. And this process is entirely automated. Now some of you might know what exactly is this, like what is Clutch, what are we doing? But in case you don't know what you're doing, in case you're like, bro, what the hell is this Clutch thing? I just want to like find B2B leads who are actually qualified. They have the money to buy my services. I'm targeting like decision makers and they're exclusive, and I can generate basically like a lot of leads without spending my entire bank balance on stupid low quality leads. And I just want to know like what exactly is this, but I don't totally understand it. So basically Clutch is a platform. So Clutch, if you just search it, so it's like a platform where B2B businesses list themselves. So like let's say I wanted to get content marketing services. Now I will be thinking there are like hundreds and thousands of agencies in the world. I think there are like over 400,000 or 600,000 agencies in the entire world. So which agency should I go with? Should I go with that agency? Should I go with that agency? Because every agency on the website, they're gonna say that we're like the best marketing agency, we're the best content agency. So what this has done is it's basically created like a platform, a public platform, kind of like Fiverr. So on Fiverr you can find freelancers. On Clutch you can find B2B agencies, B2B service providers, and all the reviews, everything are public. So it provides like a lot of transparency, and people can see like I can come here and like let's say I wanted to get like content marketing services. I can see like which is the best one. Like this has 52 reviews, this has 56 reviews, 4.8 stars, whatever. And I can read the reviews, I can understand about the company. So it's basically like a platform where all these companies list themselves in hopes of finding new buyers, in hopes of finding new customers and everything. So we can use this like what exactly is lead generation at the end of the day. Like if you go back to one of like the oldest internet marketing books, like I think this is the book which I think is the oldest modern marketing book if it comes to it. So this book is like Traffic Secrets by Russell Brunson, who I believe is one of the best marketers of our time, of our generation, and he has this company called ClickFunnels, which is like $100 million company where they basically allow you to build like funnels and everything. And he said like lead generation and getting traffic, basically having people who we can sell to. It's as simple as just figuring out where are people segregating, like where is a group of people who we can sell to who are qualified to buy our services, like where are they hanging out, and just simply from that place onwards just going there and selling it to them, selling our services, whatever. So yeah, that's exactly what we're going to do. We know we want to sell to B2B companies, and all these B2B companies, they're accumulated, they've grouped together in this one particular website called clutch.co. And directly you cannot find like the owners email addresses or the phone numbers, but after a bit of trial and testing I figured out how you can like not only find all these companies listed over there on complete automation, you can get it in a spreadsheet. You can also find like verified email addresses, verified phone numbers, are the company information, social media channels. So if you want to do like email outreach, if you want to cold call them, SMS them, WhatsApp them, you want to send like cold DMs on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, whatever, you can do all of this. Now enough of the theory part, this is exactly what we're going to do, and this is how we can do it. The first thing we need to do is obviously just come over to clutch.co, and now we have to like use all the different filters available to find ICP, like our ideal clients. So if you sell to companies who like let's say they sell mobile app development, so like let's say you help these companies and you try to, like I'll give you a good example. So like let's say you're based from like a third world country and you reach out to like these IT companies, these mobile app development companies in the US or something. Now what you can do is you can be like just find their contact information, you can scrape it, and you can simply be like, yeah, I'll help you like reduce your cost of finding engineers by helping you with staff augmentation, which is basically like they get to hire like remote developers for very cheap prices. So you probably know who you're trying to sell to. So if you're trying to sell to people who offer like web development services, you can just come over here. So just figure out what is the person who you're trying to sell to. Are these people offering IT services, development services, like consulting services, like marketing services, whatever? So yeah, you can just like play around with all these different categories and figure out like what exactly you want to do. Let's say you have like an AI tool which helps SEO companies like do SEO quicker. You can just come over to marketing and find a list of all the companies which are providing SEO services. So let's say I wanted to help companies that offer like content marketing services. I'll just take like a simple example because that's the example we started that. So just use the different filters to find your ideal customer profile. After you selected like the niche you want to target from here, you can also apply like a few more filters. You can click on all filters over here and you can just search for it. So you can search for location as well. So let's say I only want to target companies in the US. I can do that. When it comes to services, I can just find like, let's say, uh, personal branding, is that a service? So yeah, let's say I just want to target companies that do like video marketing. I can just do that and it gives me like a good idea because my friend Chad, he actually has a company where we like reach out to these companies and we help them like reduce their editing costs, like half their editing costs. So actually it might be a really smart idea for me to scrape it for him as well. Because yeah, after that, the client budget, like you can do this like how much, like what is the ticket size. So are these companies attracting people who spend like over $250,000 with them or more than that, whatever. So yeah, this is the filter. If you want to use it, you can like filter by the hourly rate as well, how much they charge hourly, what industry they belong to, like advertising, marketing, whatever. So yeah, you can do that. I don't think so it's relevant over here. And yeah, you can do it by reviews, like how many reviews they have, like 15, 10, whatever. And yeah, so you can like just play around with all these different filters, how many employees they have. So I think it'll be a good idea if I target companies with less than like 45 employees. I think they'll be like better suited to work with us. And yeah, you can just like use all these different filters and basically narrow down everything so that the list in front of you, it's hyper like it's extremely qualified. The messages we send out to them, they're completely relevant because a lot of people get it wrong. People don't care that you if you use like personalization or not. The messages should be relevant. For example, if you're like reaching out to me on Twitter and you're sending me like a bulk message, like a copy paste message, but it's relevant to you, me, you're telling me, Somil, I saw you have this website where you're selling like this one product. I can like double your conversion rate. Even if it's not personalized, even if you did not use my website name, like I'll give him a chance. Like I'll reply to that because it's relevant to me. So ensure you're targeting only the right people, apply as many filters as possible, and yeah, that should help you out. So yeah, now we basically gone to clutch.co and we've used the different filters to figure out our ideal customer profile. Then you simply click on this, like this thing, and you download this free Chrome extension known as Instant Data Scraper. So I'll just download it again. So yeah, if you don't have it downloaded, this is what it will look like. Just click on this and click on the add extension button over here, and yeah, it will be downloaded. It's completely free to use and pretty simple. Once you've done that, now we're going to be using like the extension to like scrape clutch.co and find the list of the companies. So just click on this, like the instant data scraper extension, and yeah, after that this page is gonna open up. I literally just tried it. It was working. It says it cannot scrape data from this website yet. Let's just try to open it again because I just used it like 5 minutes ago to do it and it was working absolutely fine. Now, no. Yeah, it's working. It just gave me a jump scare like I'm about to film a video and it stops working, whatever. So yeah, now you can see it has all the data and over here you can see like the name of all the different companies as well. So once you click on it, it will display like the first page over here, but obviously there are like a lot of different pages which we can scrape. So there are like 4 pages and depending on how many filters you've used, there might be thousands of pages, hundreds of pages. So what we're going to do is we're going to like come over here and after we have scraped like the first page, you can click on this locate next button over here. Just click on this and after that you need to come over here and after the list of companies has ended, just click on the next button. So what it will do is it will scrape the entire data set and after that, once it has scraped the entire page, it's gonna automatically click on the next button so that it will go to the next page, then it will scrape the second page and after that, it will move on to the next. So I just clicked on like the next and after that, I can click on start scrolling again. After I've like located like the next button, just click on it and it will automatically go to the next page like my hands over here. It will scrape this and then move on to the next one. Yep. So it has done like all the pages, all the 4 pages. So that's why it has ended. And yeah, now that we've done it, we have a list of all this different data. So hundreds of companies, and what you can do is you can like download it as a CSV if you want to. I just click on like copy all over here, and I just simply open up Google Sheets. Like yeah, I just go to like Google Sheets and paste the different data which I just scrape from it. I'll click on blank spreadsheet. Boom. Yeah. So all these fields are irrelevant. We just wanted like the company name, which is in like the third column. So I'm just gonna delete all these different columns. So I'll just be like delete columns A to B and all these different columns, because yeah, like these are nice to have if you want to. Like what do they provide? Like description of the company. You can use it if you want to. I'll just simply like delete all these columns because we just need like the company name. What we're now gonna do is we're gonna go to this software called Leadwave, which is actually my software. Cause and like yeah, I've tried all the softwares, so I know what is shit, what works, and you can get started for free. So you don't need to put it like a credit card. You can just enter your name, email, phone number, and your password, everything, and yeah, from there you can like sign up. I've already created an account, and yeah, after that you can come over here to this thing known as company to domain, where you can basically enter like the name of a company, and it will give you like the domain, the exact website. So for example, I enter Amazon. I click on this, and now over here it's gonna give me like Amazon.com, which is the exact website of the company. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna just convert a list of all these different names into like websites. And after that, once we've done all of these things, we can use the websites to not only scrape the data on the website. So if they have like social media URLs or different stuff like phone numbers and email addresses on the website, we can do that. But we can also like enrich the websites and go through all the different corners of the internet and find the email addresses and the phone numbers of the owner, and not just like the generic emails found on the website. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna scroll down and down and down, and I'm just gonna come over here and copy the list of all the different domains. So there are like 160 domains. I'll just yeah, actually I just copied all of them. So yeah, just paste it. Ensure there's like a line break. But if you pasted it in Google Sheets, it will automatically take care of it. So yeah, just ensure it's pasted and click on convert to domains. And after that, it's gonna scrape, and you will have to wait for like 20 to 60, maybe 120 seconds. So yeah, just wait a couple of minutes, and then it should be pretty much sorted from that place, and it should be good to go. I'll just pause the video for 1 to 2 minutes, and yeah, after the domains are done, I'll just show it. Yep, so it's been around a minute, and we have the entire list ready. Now bear in mind, like the more domains you paste, the more time it will take, because you have to like go through the entire internet to find the websites. So for example, we just entered the name of this company called Evolve Media, and now we can open this up, like the website of these companies and everything. And yeah, the Blue Agency, all these different things. We have the website and the URL, everything ready, and now we can use this data to scrape for the stuff. So yeah, you just simply click on download a CSV, and yeah, now we have like the entire list of all the different websites available of the companies on Clutch, which we found. And yeah, after we've done that, we can simply like open it up in Google Sheets again. So I'll just click on file, open, and click on upload, and just paste like open the exact spreadsheet we downloaded right now from Leadwave. And yeah, boom, so it's done. Yeah, so now what I'm gonna do is copy all these different like domains, the different domains which are available over here. And obviously we're not able to find like 100% of the domains, but you can see like 80 to 90% of the domains we were able to find. And yeah, now we're going to use these domains to find like verified contact information. So after that, you can like copy, like just open it up in Google Sheets and copy all the domains. One thing is you might be getting like more than 1,000 domains in one go. We can only enrich a maximum of 1,000 domains. So in say like Leadwave, if you come over here, like in Leadwave, yeah, if you come to pricing, we have an unlimited plan where you can do like unlimited enrichment, everything. Like you get unlimited credits. I'm not saying that we won't let you do more than 1,000, like all the like enrichment and everything, but in one go we can only do a maximum of 1,000. So if you have more than like let's say you have 2,000 domains, copy the first 1,000 domains at once, enrich it, and after that you should come over, and then you can do it with like the other thing. So basically, like do not paste more than 1,000 domains at once, otherwise we might have some problems. So yeah, once you've copied all these domains, you can come over here to lead enrichment inside of lead wave. So after here, you just simply paste a list of all the different domains which we have generated for you, and you can click on enrich domains. So now again we'll go through all the different fields, all the different corners of the internet, and try to find like the email addresses, phone numbers of the owners, like the direct employees, everyone who works over there. And yeah, like the only problem with this right now is like in the future we're working on something that you can filter like before you actually scrape everything, that if you want like the contact information of, let's say, only like the managers or like the CEOs or like the founders or the president, because right now we give you like the all the freaking employees we can find in the company. So yeah, we're definitely working on it. And another thing we can do is, again, like this will take like a couple of minutes, so yeah, we'll let it happen in the sideways. But you can also use website extraction inside of lead wave. Like yeah, we have another feature inside of lead wave, so you can come over here as well, like website extraction just below like this. So yeah, if we come over here and we paste a list of all the different domains which leadwave gave us, we can literally use this feature right now to find like details of the company, like what is the company about, the SEO tags they're using in there, like what exactly do they do, and also all the emails, phone numbers present on their website along with the social media accounts. So you can use this feature to find social media channels to reach out to them via cold emails, like cold DM, sorry. So like let's say if you're targeting like niches which are not easily found on Twitter, but you know like the Twitter accounts might exist but you don't know what to search in order to find it, you can just paste it and it will give you all the data. So just paste it under website email extraction and click on extract data over here. And over here now we're going to start scraping their websites as well with all the data present over here. And also, like a quick side note, if you belong to a niche where it's very common for the owners to add like their own personal phone numbers or their personal emails on the website. So for example, like if you're targeting small restaurants and cafes in your locality, the chances are that the owner has like the phone number on the website. So if you know like people in the niche have their phone numbers and email addresses listed like their own personal emails and phones, then you can simply use the website email extraction instead of like the lead enrichment, because lead enrichment is going to work great if the person is present on LinkedIn. If the person is not present on LinkedIn, then I think this is a better option, like email extraction. And yeah, like the lead enrichment is actually ready. I was going to pause the video and show you. So you can simply like download all the results in a CSV file. You can see like all the employees, like their phone numbers, their email addresses, everything. So if we come over to Google Sheets, we can click on open over here. We can click on upload. We can click on browse, and yeah, we can just open like the CSV file we just received. And yep, boom. Yeah, so now you can see we have found like the domain which we entered, like the exact domain we entered to enrich. We found the name of the company, the name of the employee, the first name, the last name, the owner, like the job title, what is the headline, what is the email address. And these are like email addresses. I will say like you can try to verify them once, but even if you don't verify it, I think you should be good to go. Another thing you can do is like you can find like their phone numbers as well, like where they're based out of, what city they're based out of, like the LinkedIn URL if you're able to find it, and yeah, basically all the details you need in order to reach out to them. Now you might see there are like multiple employees of a different company, and let's say for example, yeah, so for example, this is something like Trends Content Manager, and you won't really want to send like a cold email to him. So what you can do is come over here and click on this button and select the entire column and click on data, click on create a filter and click on this filter icon, and then you can like select, like click on clear over here and click on, like let's say you only want to reach out to like CEOs or like the founder of the company, then you can like simply just search founder and click on select all 138. So only people who have like the word founder in the job title, now only they remain. Let's say you want to get rid of all the duplicates. So what you can do is you can just click on data. You can come over here. You can click on data validation and data cleanup and click on remove duplicates. Select the column where the duplicates, I'll just do this and click on remove duplicates. So yeah, now only like, yo, actually I made like a mistake. You're supposed to select like one column. So yeah, click on data, click on data cleanup, remove duplicates, and I'll just say like select the domain, because we only want like one person per company. So yeah, I'll just do that, remove duplicates, and yep. So Now the duplicates have been removed and only like one person per company remains. And you can like, yeah, now you can reach out to them, do all of the nice stuff. Another thing you can do is like, it's a way to get like verify emails for free. Basically what you can also do is you have, if you have like the name of the person, you can click on like, yeah, I did not plan this, but over here you can click on like verified email finder, and firstly you can do like one on one. So like, let's say I wanted to find Jeff Bezos email. I'll enter the first name and the last name and the domain of the company, like his website, so amazon.com, and I can click on find email, and it will give me like the verified email address of Jeff Bezos. So this is like the verified one. This is like 100% verified. So if you want to like verify emails for free, this is another like secret thing you can do. So you can just click on like delete all these things, like delete columns. Just keep the first name, last no shit. You're not supposed to delete like the domain. So you just need like the first name, last name, and the domain. So click on delete columns B2C, and I'll just come and delete all these different columns. Boom. Uh, delete columns G2R. I'll delete these ones as well. Boom. Delete columns D2J. And yeah, so now we have like the first name, last name, and the domain, and I'll actually like paste it to, no, I'll delete this. Insert one columns to the right, and yeah, I'll just paste it. So if you have like these three columns, like delete column, so just create a spreadsheet where you only have like the first name, last name, and the domain of the person. And if you just download this CSV and you paste it in the verified email finder, you can just upload it over here, and it will give you like, click on this, like, yeah, click on process CSV. Oh, actually I pasted like a lot of emails, so I only just add like a couple of them. Like, yeah, I added 7,000 emails, and I forgot I was like on a free trial. So let me just add like the first 50 of them. Like, I'll just go down below. So you can do like 10,000 at once. You can paste like 10,000 emails at once, but I'm on like a free plan, so not the unlimited plan of this software. Like, crazy, right? Like, it's my software and I forgot to update myself to the unlimited plan. But yeah, so I'll just delete like a couple thousand rows. And yeah, if you have like the unlimited plan or like any other plan and you have like credits available, you can do like 10,000 emails using this at once. And I'll just like simply come over here and just simply remove it, because we found like 7,000 people, and we don't charge you like 7,000 credits for this, by the way. We only charge you 1 credit per domain, even if there are like hundreds of people present over there. So I'll just do like delete rows. Yeah, I think I'll just download this, download as CSV, and boom, I'll upload the new CSV. Yep, and I click on process CSV over here. So now it will find like verified email addresses from the first name, last name, and the domain, and these are like 100% verified, so you get to save money. Also in the future, I'm planning on adding like a service, like a new software where you can like verify unlimited emails for free. So it will soon be a part of Leadway, but yeah, you can do that. Now also coming to the website extraction, like I think we were using website extraction as well. So is it done? Like, did I forget to do it? Task history, CSV, yeah. No, I stopped website extraction midway. So I'll have to go again and just like extract the websites as well, because I wanted to show you. I think this is the one. Yeah. No, like it was the company to domain. What was the spreadsheet where he had the, yeah, company to domain as us. Yeah, these are the websites we got using Leadwave, if you remember. I'll just paste it over here under website extraction. Click on extract them, and yeah, we just wait. We let it happen, and over here you can see we were able to find like 61 verified email addresses. So yeah, we found like all the verified email addresses of all these people, and these are like 100% verified. So yeah, you can literally go and start sending like cold emails to them if you want to. So like, the point I'm trying to convey is the creativity lies with you. So we use clutch.co to find like verified company names, and then we use like the company to domain feature to paste the company names and get the domain out of it. Then we use the domain to enrich the data and find like email, phone numbers, everything for that. After that, we also use like the verified email finder to find verified emails of all the people who we found from that. And now we're using like the website email extractor to find like the data from the website so that we can use it for like cold outreach on Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, all these different platforms as well. And I'll just pause it. It will take like 30 to 40 seconds more if I'm not wrong to find like the data from the website extractor as well. I literally pause it and in like 3 seconds it's done. Anyway, so yeah, I'll just click on like download CSV after we've gotten all the results, and I'll just open it up in Google Sheets and show you what it looks like. So I'll click on upload. I'll click on this thing. Oh, yep. Upload the website extraction results. And yep, you're pretty much good to go. So yeah, this is like the exact website. We just pasted over here. You can find like all the phone numbers which are present on these websites. You can find like the title. What is the title? So basically over here it appears like lead wave lead enrichment software. So yeah, what basically appears over here, description is something which the agency has told about them, like the company has told about them, like this is what we do. So you can use this. Number one, the description. You can like upload the CSV to ChatGPT and tell them. So yeah, I can just be like, I'll just quickly show you like the use cases of this. It's endless. So I'll just do it. I'll just be like, please use the description field present in this CSV file to write like a small personalized first line which I can use when I'm sending out like cold emails to all these different companies. Like create a genuine personalized compliment, sound extremely human. Do not be cringe. Keep it only like 5 to 10 words max. Boom. The point I'm trying to convey is like the possibilities are endless. So yeah, now ChatGPT or like any AI model, they can like literally go over here. It can read like the description, this thing, with the company has provided about themselves, and the AI can use like personalized first lines. It can create that as well. And yeah, you can use like keywords, like all the different keywords this company is using if you want to provide like SEO services. So for example, these companies don't have a keyword, so you can go ahead and like literally pitch your SEO services to them. Over here where it says like Twitter URL and everything, you can like reach out to them. You can use a software like XReacher, and yeah, XReacher is a Twitter automation software. You can use it. I know the founder is actually a good friend of mine. So sign up with my affiliate link. Like just comment the just ask for affiliate link and share it with you, because I have like a discount code for 60% off if you want to use it. But you can send like 50 DMs a day for free. I've created tutorials in that. If you want to do like Facebook outreach, you have a list of all the Facebook pages as well. So you can reach out to them on Facebook. You can reach out, like not actually reach out to them on YouTube, but yeah, you have a list of all the different YouTube channels as well. If you want to, you can find like the YouTube username. You have their Instagram username, so I can reach out to them. Yeah, so you can see their Instagram account present over here. I can reach out to them. And yeah, basically you have all the different social media channel like LinkedIn URLs, all these different things, and we can reach out to them on all these different platforms. And yeah, you also get like the company name which is present on the website. Now these companies, they usually won't have like the email of the founder or something on the website, so I'm not going to be using this. That's why you use the lead enrichment feature over here to find like it. So yeah, we use like this one, if you remember, to find like everything. And yeah, in case you're wondering like if I want to access the data again, you can go to task history, and yeah, you can find like all the different data which you have used. And yeah, that's what I'm basically saying. This is a dope freaking feature. This is pretty freaking underrated. I've not seen a single video on YouTube on using this like strategy, whatever. So you can use this to find like verified email addresses, everything, and reach out to these people via cold DMs, emails, phone calls, whatever you want to do. And yeah, we can like just simply like it will go through everything, chat GPT as well, and it will write personalized first lines as well. So you can use this with any like anything, like any freaking AI model of your choice. Hope this helped. If you have any queries, any questions, just drop them below in the comments here. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye man, take care, have a lovely, awesome, beautiful, fantastic day ahead. Bye.